Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name's Christine, and in this video we're going to be talking about storage solutions. And I have the 3-drawer compartment here. I've got mine at Michael's in Canada. However, I know that scrapbook.com does sell the Deflecto version of this unit. So I like this unit because it will fit into my cube storage I have from Ikea. And I wanted just some lower shelves that I can pull out and take with me when I'm going to work. So this one is for all those pieces, like some of the collage pieces I made and other sort of collage papers I have. This is more of my bits, the smaller pieces, tags, or when I cut up pieces, little die cuts. So smaller pieces of collage papers. And then on top, I'm going to use it for all my ephemera. And so I'm getting more packs of ephemera, and so I'm going to just dump them in here. And then when I'm working, I can just sort of go through it, take out some of the big pieces, and then use it to go through and find the smaller pieces of ephemera that might be in here. So I'm going to use it just to throw it all in and then have a place that I can dig through to find that piece I'm looking for. Now, of course, once I bought one and went, ooh, there's other things I could put in here, I ended up buying a second one. So I'm going to show you the drawers. So here I decided I needed storage for my archival ink. I'm going to be getting the distress ink storage, but that left all my little archival pads, and I've had them in many different places over the time. So I decided that I'd put it here. It's just 2 by 2, so it's not as deep. In my last storage unit, I had it 4 high, so I'm able to find a color easier. And then I have my little mini archival inks along the bottom. But of course, I still had a few extra inks, so I put it in another drawer. And then in these little bags are my calligraphy items. These are my calligraphy pens, and these are like brush pens and markers and stuff to use for calligraphy. So I decided I'd pair those together, and then I still have a bit of extra space in here. And then for my last drawer, I decided I have vignette boxes and tags, my frames, and more of like embellishments that are a little bigger, and then my different ribbons. So still to use for collaging and that. So I have it handy, but some of the bigger items. So of course, you can put so many items in here. It's 12 by 12, so you can put your 12 by 12 papers in here. It's about 2 inches high, I'd say, close to that. So some of the items, like say, for example, my calligraphy ink was too tall. So I wasn't able to put it in here. I have to put it in another area. But you can put many items in here, lots of your little powders and stuff. So if you're looking for a storage solution, you may want to consider these 3-drawer storage boxes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.